kitchen. Today we're going to be whipping up some delicious, quick and easy vegan stir fry. And the best part, it can be made under 20 minutes. If you're not already part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on a delicious video. And if you're excited, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Did you do it? Okay, let's get started into the video. Okay guys, so starting off this recipe, I'm going to chop up 3 bell peppers. And the reason why I love this recipe so much is because whatever vegetables you have in the fridge, you can add to this dish. Next, I'm going to chop up the ear of corn. And to that, I'm going to add some broccoli to my wok. Now, if you don't have a wok, it's totally okay. You can just use a pan over your stove top. But if you're going to be making stir fries often, I definitely recommend investing into a wok. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and give it a big old stir. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce. And tamari is just a gluten-free version of soy sauce. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And I love tamari and rice vinegar because they work so great together and just elevates this dish with so much flavor. Again, make sure you stir all that vegetables together with all that great flavor. And next, I'm going to add some agave just to cut from the saltiness of the tamari. And again, stir it all together. Next, I'm going to add 2 vegan sausages or Tofurkey. And you can find Tofurkey in your local grocery store located in the produce aisle. And I love Tofurkey because it adds such a great flavor and so much protein. It has about 20 grams of protein each sausage. And when I say it's so good, it's so good. So I'm going to let that cook for 7 minutes or until golden brown. Okay guys, so my stir fry is all done and it only took about 12 minutes to make, which is really great. So I'm about to dive in. It smells and it looks amazing. Trying to get all this in one bite. Here we go. Oh. I had to savor that bite. This bowl has so much flavor and so much texture that works so cohesively together. I can taste the tamari and the rice wine vinegar, but it's not so pungent. It's perfect. And the agave just adds that nice little sweetness. The vegetables are perfectly cooked and caramelized, and the sausage is amazing. It tastes just like the real thing, but of course it's vegan. You guys have to try this for your dinner tonight, and let me know what you guys think. If you're not already part of the family, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, you know you gotta give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you next video. Bye, I love you.